They're relentless. There's too many of them. Apparently I'm fighting 100 men tomorrow. I'm kind of nervous, so I bought these Zins to keep me calm. I don't think I'll win this one chat, but the first 5 to 10 of them are finna end up on a t-shirt for real. Holy shit. They're a lot tougher than I was fucking expecting. We've agreed to continue the fight tomorrow. I don't know how many are left, but I know I'm gonna need some sleep.
Thank God. It's finally time for bed. Drop a follow to find out how tomorrow goes. Peace.